Hello, let us discuss the concepts of domain, codomain, and range as applied to a relation from a set X to a set Y. Suppose we have organized an excursion for science students in Qatar Senior High Technical School to the Center for Scientific and Industrial Research. And we say each student should pay 150 Ghana cedis as transportation. Now, if a student pays, he or she is assured a seat in the school bus, since the school bus is going to be conveying them to the excursion. Now, this assurance is done by the assignment of a seat number in the school bus. This assignment is a relation from the set of the students to the set of seats in the school bus. Most relations are assignments anyway. So, suppose student 1 pays, and for that matter is assigned seat number 1. Student 2 has not paid, so no seat is assigned in her case. Student 3 pays and is assigned seat number 8. Student 4 pays, is assigned seat number 2. Student 5 pays and is assigned seat number 9. Students 6 and 7 have not paid, and so no seat number is assigned. Student 8 pays and is assigned seat number 4. Student 9 has not paid. Student 10 is assigned seat number 12. Now, we see that in this relation, we take members from the set of students, and then we assign members from the set of seats. So this set of students constitute what we call the source set of the relation, whereas the set of seats constitutes a destination set, which we call the codomain of the relation. We find that although the excursion is open to all science students, it is not all the students that have been assigned seat numbers in the bus. We also find that not every seat has been assigned to a student who has paid. For example, seat number 10 has not been assigned to any students. When we come to the source set, the collection of all the students who have been assigned seat numbers is what we refer to as the domain of the relation. Now they have been assigned seat numbers because they satisfy the requirement for the assignment of a seat number. So the elements of the domain satisfy the requirement of the relation. So the way I look at these things, there are 4 sets involved, not 3. We have a source set from which we get the domain, and we have a codomain from which we get the range. The domain could be equal to the source sets, but generally that is not the case. It could be that all the students have paid and so are assigned seat numbers. In that case, the entire source set is the domain. Here too, it could be that all the seats are assigned to students who have paid. In that case, the range is equal to the codomain. Now, you realize that you are never asked to find the codomain because it is inferred from the context. The source set and the codomain are inferred from the context. In this case, the moment we say that we are organizing an excursion for science students makes the set of science students the source set. And once we have said that if you pay, you will be assigned a seat in the bus, that makes the collection of all the seats in the bus the codomain. The codomain is important. We have to go into the codomain to assign an object to a given object in the domain.